Hello, my name is Shreya Urai. I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in CSE from Sridevi Institute of Technology, Mangalore in the current year, that is 2026 pass out. I have joined JSPIDERS Basavanagudi in the month of February, and it's been 4 months where here I've got trained in the subjects core Java, web technology, SQL, and aptitude also. So this was all possible because of the training that got from this particular institution. It was a wonderful journey. Here the trainers are really good. They help us learn each and everything, not only like a lesson, like practical sessions also they have conducted. They regularly conduct us mock interviews, which really helped me to improve my communication skills also. So from all this, I would like to thank my core Java trainer, that is Yes sir, also my SQL trainer, that is Ramakrishna sir, and web technology trainer Shira sir, as well as my aptitude trainer Danush sir. So all these trainers helped me a lot for like getting me ready for the industry, as well as I would like to thank the HR Sheetal ma'am for continuous support. Lastly, thank you J Spiders Basavangudi main branch.